Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and we're back at the cabin again. I know I shut it down for the season, but we realized a couple things that we needed to finish, and that's putting the floor vents in the floor so that way we don't get any squirrels inside the cabin when it gets cold out here. But everything looked pretty much the way we left it. We did notice when we came back the back door was open, and I don't think I shut it properly the last time we were here. However, we did notice a card inside of the door where the county assessor came out and said something about they're assessing the property regarding new construction. So I'm flattered that they think that this is a new construction, but it's actually just a mobile home put on the land. So it was a different person than the person that I am working with the county. So I am thinking that they just did not connect, and she didn't see my signs on the front of the cabin with all of my permits. So I'm going to give her a call and see what she's talking about tomorrow to kind of figure that out. But I'm thinking it has to do with the bump out room, just because this part is open. But unfortunately, that's the way we bought the cabin. It's going to have to stay that way until we can get to it in the springtime. And it's this space right here. So it's just unfortunately going to have to be that way until we can get that bump out taken care of. But I did get a permit to do the bump out room and add the deck. So all of that will be additions, because this is already a structural component that can be moved. So everything needs to be accessible and need to be able to be moved. But this door right here we noticed was open. I don't think I shut it properly when me and my uncle was up here the last time and that we left. But anyway, as far as all the permits for the well, the septic, the electric, and all of that, I did get all of that. She used the parcel number instead of my actual address, because I do have an address now. When I got the permits and everything, I was able to get an address. So I'm thinking it was just an assessor coming out to this property, just kind of being a little nosy and not really knowing what is what until she went back to the office and probably figured everything out. But I will find out when I give her a call. In the meantime, we're out here, in addition to cutting out the vent space, my son, back here in back of the mobile home, there is a way to assess the propane, and we're not able to have heat in the house right now because we don't have a propane tank. So we are using an electric heater right now. But hopefully he's going to cut out a little hole, and hopefully I'll be able to use the portable smaller propane tanks, so I'll be able to have a few under there that we can utilize to have heat in the house, because the furnace does operate on propane. And then in the spring, come April, we'll be able to do the bump out room, the deck, and kind of clear the rest of these trees from the land, because I need a space to put my mobile home and my boat. So I'm thinking, because we have the electric box right here, I want the mobile home to be able to be parked in this area over here next to this electric box. So it'll be right by. So this will be the RV area. So it'll be right by the cabin. And then I'm thinking for the boat, I will be able to, yep, hold on, put the boat maybe in this area. So those are just some thoughts I have. Oh, we have a lot of space here on this land. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. So we're cutting in access for the propane.
It's right there. This might be too small.
You think it's too small?
Yeah, but I'm gonna cut 2 more panels. I'm gonna cut another one right here.
Why?
It'll be bigger.
Okay.
This one's gonna go. Then you can get your hand in there, like your whole hand. This will just be one to look at, pop it and look if you need to, and then I'm gonna cut a bigger one right here, pull that open too.
Okay.
y'all. Look at. See that? It's right here.
All right, there's the propane. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that. Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger. So I just wanted to tell you that I did make that call to the county assessor. Come to find out, she was just assessing the property value and wanted to find out when we were going to get started on doing the bump out room and the deck. So she gave me a little bit of a break. What she decided to do is just let the taxes be bare land for 2019, and in 2020 she will then tax me on the land according to what my property is actually worth when everything is completed. Because everything is still in progress, she didn't want to tax me now. So that helps me because I'm in the process of buying my forever home, and so that gives me another year to be able to get everything on track before the new tax starts to take place. So anyway, keep watching, more video footage coming up.